Walking across a stage on live national television doesn't seem like a dream to most, but every year, more than 12,000 women compete to make this dream come true. The reason so many women compete in this program is not only about the chance of being crowned Miss America, but also about receiving thousands of dollars in scholarships. I feel like I'm qualified to talk about this topic because I have competed in several pageants and I personally know Miss Mississippi. Today, I would like to inform my audience about the Miss America pageant. Many people have heard of this pageant but don't know how the contestant qualifies for the pageant, the different portions of the pageant, or the great benefits that come from competing. First, I'm going to share how a contestant qualifies for the Miss America pageant. According to MissAmerica.org, a woman must be between the ages of 17 and 24 and must be a U.S. citizen. A contestant must win a local pageant and then continue on for her state title. If she wins her state title, she will then continue on to compete in the Miss America pageant. Next, I am going to explain the different portions of the competition and how the judges choose a winner. The contestant arrives at the pageant. They will compete in the preliminary portions, which consist of swimwear, evening wear, talent, a private interview, and an on-stage question. Each portion is weighted differently, and these scores determine who will proceed to the top 15. The final competition is what we get to see on TV. It is weighted differently than the preliminary portion, and the two categories that count for the most are talent and the on-stage question. These two categories make up for 50% of the contestant's score. Most would like to think the judges pick the skinniest or the prettiest girl, but that's not the case. According to the Press of Atlantic City, the judges are looking for a woman who is well-rounded in every category and who will represent our country with pride. Miss America is looked up to as a public figure and should be a role model for everyone. Finally, I'm going to explain the benefits that come from competing in Miss America. According to MissAmerica.org, the greatest benefit of competing in this pageant is the scholarship money. The winner of Miss America gets $50,000. The first runner-up receives $25,000, and the second runner-up receives $20,000. The contestants do not have to place within the top 3 in order to receive the scholarship, but if you win a preliminary portion, you will also receive a cash amount. But money is not the only benefit of competing in the Miss America pageant. The Miss America pageant can bring the competitors skills they will use for a long time. Being on stage in front of thousands of people can bring about articulation skills and confidence. Plus, competing in a prestigious pageant as this looks great on a resume. In conclusion, I would like to remind my audience that the purpose was to inform you about the Miss America pageant. Today I explained how one gets to compete in the pageant, how the judges pick a winner based on different portions, and the benefit the contestants gain from competing. Even though walking across a stage in a bikini on live national television doesn't seem like a dream to most, some women have dreamed of this since they were little girls. Thank you.